Already have a road path drawn and want to know if a vehicle can actually move through it? Welcome to this present trade tutorial on how to use adaptive simulation in AutoTURN. And if you'd like to follow along step by step, you can request the free trial from Present Trade. Now let's start. Here we already have a route drawn using a polyline. It includes straights, curves, and the exact path vehicles are expected to follow. Now, instead of manually placing a vehicle turn by turn, we can let AutoTURN analyze the full route for us. Go to the AutoTURN tab and click Adaptive Simulation. The software now asks for the path, so we simply select the polyline. In this example, we'll choose the full route, including the curves. Left-click to finish. Then wait a few seconds. And just like that, AutoTURN creates the first simulation automatically. Now the path is there. But one important question remains. Which vehicle are we testing? Because a passenger car is one thing, a bus or truck is something completely different. So click Vehicles button. This opens the vehicle library, where you can choose the exact vehicle type and specifications needed for your project. But there's something else. How is the vehicle aligned to the line we selected? Right now, the selected polyline may represent the center, left side, or right side of the vehicle path. In our case, this polyline represents the right edge of the road. So if we leave it centered, the result won't be accurate. To fix that, we change the simulation type to offset left. Immediately, AutoTURN recalculates the path. Now, the vehicle sits correctly relative to the road edge. You'll also notice new settings appear for the offset distance, giving you even more control. Now let's say the movement feels too sharp through some curves. That's where smooth transition can help. Enable it, and AutoTURN gives you more refinement options. You can choose how the path is measured using simulation envelope. Should it follow the tires, the body of the vehicle, or the body clearance? Which means the distance between the vehicle body and the ground. Then you can control how much deviation is acceptable using maximum deviation. You can also define the minimum radius, which controls how tight the turning movement is allowed to be. And with oversteer applied at, you choose where the extra turning movement happens. At the entry, at the exit, or not at all by making the button at the middle. But in this example, the automatic result is already working well. So we'll turn smooth transition back off. And here you have it. A fast way to test a real vehicle path using an existing route in AutoTURN. Contact Present Trade today to get your free trial of AutoTURN and try it yourself.